How to set your lock screen to enter into the security lock screen mode instantly by pressing the power button. And of course, this is available after you set up your lock screen security setup here. And for some phones, this may not be available, and you want to have this so that every time you press the power button, it's going to lock your phone instantly. Okay, so if the extended unlock is in effect, the phone will stay unlocked. Okay, so here's where you could go to do this. From the quick panel access like this here, you'll go to the settings, and tapping on the settings once will take you to these here. Next up, go down to the lock screen section here, tap on that once, and you'll see this thing here. If this is set up already, you'll look for secure lock settings. So as I tap on that here, you'll need to put in your PIN. This is nothing to hide. This is just for demonstration purposes. And you'll be taken here right now, and you'll see lock instantly with the side button. So again, this basically means if you press your power button, your phone is going to enter into the lock screen mode instantly. And just in case this is not turned on, you might want to go ahead and turn that on. So if you're in a rush or someone's about to take your phone and they want to view something on your phone and you want to lock your phone quickly, just press that power button. That's going to lock it and prevent them from viewing it. And they won't be able to access it because they don't know your PIN, right? Right.